Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can resolve this issue. Neither Java home or JRE environmental variable is defined. Click on .zshrc, click on OK. Now click on enter, paste it here. So we are adding Java home as this particular Java home. Open the terminal. Just type which Java. So you will get the Java here. Okay. Now type shjmeter.sh. Click on enter. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.